Today, we will be solving equations with variables on both sides. Here is an example. Let's solve for x. First, we move the variable to the side with the bigger coefficient. Mueva el variable al lado con el coeficiente más grande. So we need to subtract x. Necesitamos restar x. Then, move the constant to the other side. Remember, the constant is just the number. Mueva el número al otro lado. Finally, divide both sides by 7. Divide por 7 de dos lados. Our answer is 1 is equal to x. That is the same as x is equal to 1. Es el mismo de x es igual a 1. Let's take the same steps to solve for x. Move the variable to the side with a bigger coefficient. Mueva el variable al lado con el coeficiente más grande. So let's subtract 5x. Restar 5x. Move the constant to the other side. Mueva el número al otro lado. Finally, divide by 3 on both sides. Divide por 3 de dos lados. -6 is equal to x. That is the same as saying x is equal to -6. Es el mismo de x es igual a -6. Here's another example. Move the variable to the side with the bigger coefficient. Al lado con el coeficiente más grande. Now we are subtracting 3x. Resta 3x. Move the constant. Mueva el número. Let's add 8. What's our last step? You got it. Divide both sides by 4. Divide por 4 de dos lados. X is equal to 5. Great job.